In a warning sign for the United States economy, the country unexpectedly shed jobs last month and unemployment edged up. That adds to pressure on President Donald Trump's economic agenda amid a raging affordability debate ahead of key midterm elections. The weak jobs report hit stocks at a time when a widening war in West Asia is lifting oil prices and fueling inflation jitters. U.S. non-farm payrolls fell 92,000 in February versus the 55,000 consensus. More importantly, January and December figures were revised lower. That is a trend seen over the past year and clearly not a good set of numbers. The unemployment rate rose to 4.4% from 4.3% in January. While the jobs report precedes the Iran conflict, the spike in oil prices raises the probability of stronger energy inflation. U.S. crude futures surged above $90 a barrel for the first time since October 2023. The surge comes as the war in Iran hits critical energy market flows, with shipping through the Strait of Hormuz at a near total halt. The U.S. benchmark added more than 11% to mark the biggest weekly percentage gain in at least 2 decades. Global benchmark Brent surged more than 8% to trade above $92 a barrel. Citigroup estimated that the crude oil market is losing about 7 million to 11 million barrels a day of supply due to the disruption across the strait. The impact is already visible in everyday costs. Domestic cooking gas prices in India have jumped, with a 14.2 kilogram LPG cylinder rising above 60 rupees and commercial cylinders up around 115 rupees as global energy costs climb amid the West Asia conflict. Despite the increase, officials say supply remains steady and prices here are still lower than in many neighboring countries. Pakistan, for example, has dropped a fuel bomb with a major price hike. Wall Street stocks fell to mark their worst week since November, with the S&P 500 down over 1% on Friday. In a worrying sign, BlackRock curbed withdrawals from a giant private credit fund. The riskiest corner of the markets saw a bigger crash, with Bitcoin sinking below $69,000. Trump demanded an unconditional Iran surrender, suggesting no sign let up in hostilities in West Asia anytime soon.